what is audience retention? Let's start with that, okay? Then we're doing the more advanced stuff. Audience retention is when you keep your viewers re-engaged with your content, and that means to watch it mostly or the whole way through. Now, what is a good average percentage view? That is 50%. It's not guaranteed, but it's a good place to start when increasing the audience retention. Here's some audience retention tips. Tip number 1, use B-roll in your video so you keep your viewers engaged. You will see this in your audience retention graph. Let's go to tip number 2 is use text into your videos. This will re-engage the viewer when it appears and disappears. Let's go to tip number 3 is use background music, non-copyrighted music. You can do this in your YouTube library of music. Just make sure you use select attribution not required, and you're ready to go with the music. And make sure it's appropriate for the video that you do. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and watch the video coming up. Bye, y'all.